Good morning, lovelies. For breakfast, let's make some pancakes. There's gonna be a Christmassy Santa Claus party at Budapest at my family house. About 5 years ago, me and my sister decided that we take a bit more seriously this celebration. So we bought small packages for everyone and we woke up super early and we made a breakfast. A really big and unique breakfast. The table was full of yummies and with eggs, bacon, gofries and different types of drinks and Christmassy mugs, and basically, yeah, the table was full. And after the preparation, we started to listen to the Christmas album from Michael Bublé. It was so loud, so everyone woke up and they went to the table and saw the gifts and the breakfast, and it was magical, really. Last year was the last year when I lived at home, so obviously the Santa Clauses are my sisters who are living at home. So Jessica and Blanca, and they won't do packages for themselves. We are gonna create together for them. Yeah, we bought some dermies and some drinks and Haribos. And of course, today going to be a Christmassy food competition. And I decided that I'm gonna make some Christmassy pastry because I don't have a lot of time and it's gonna be super easy and yummy. I do love pastries. So I bought 4 of these dough. They're gonna be 2 types, one with cheese, pesto, ham and basil, and one with Nutella. So, and I would like to create some Christmassy shape or something, so hopefully I'm gonna win because there's gonna be 2 parts of the competition. One is about how it looks like and one is about the taste. So let's do it together.
Told lies. I can only hope hearts agree, then maybe this year Santa's coming home to me. I have found the perfect tree and dressed it to the nines. I've even made little gingerbread Santas. There's nothing left to chance. This year, Santa's coming home to me. Spreading all over town, but of course it's not true. They say Santa ain't coming around. Trust me, I'm waiting up for you, coming down my chimney on Christmas Day. We'll be side by side.
Guys, we won in the competition with Milan. We won a Starbucks voucher, so it was super fun. Everyone was a bit tired and overwhelmed, so there was just few things, 2 salty things and 3 or 4 sweet desserts, so it wasn't too hard to win, to be honest. Last year was a bit harder. Yeah, and now there is a slideshow because Rebecca and her boyfriend were in Tokyo and they did a presentation basically about it, so it's pretty funny.
Christmas Day will be side by side to see this year Santa Claus is coming home to me. Yeah, this year Santa Claus is coming home to me.
We are going to sleep here. There are mattresses over here, and Jessie and Blanca did a really great job. So we are a bit tired now, and we will wake up early because of the Santa Claus. I hope you can hear me because my brother's son's sleeping there, and I have to be quiet. So my oldest sister and her family, Stella, they are not here, and it's a bit strange, to be honest. It can be sad, but we don't want to be. Yeah, we just say that it's not the same, but it's different, of course. But it's still good. See you tomorrow. Thank you for watching. I couldn't talk a lot in this video. Maybe in the next one.